Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to record owner's draw in QuickBooks Enterprise. Now, the first thing I want you to do is actually set up the owner's draw account if one is not already created. So you come here, the top, you click on List, and then you click on Chart of Accounts. And then, here at the bottom left, you can click on Account, this drop down arrow, and then just click on New, okay? And you select Equity as the account type, okay? And then you hit on continue, and you name it something like, let's say owner's draw, okay? There we go. And then you can name it also owner's distributions, things like that, or your name. Let's say John Doe draws, and if you want, you can add a description. This is optional, and then you basically save and close, okay? So the account number cannot be left blank, so you can just name this any account number. Just put it a bunch of zeros and then a 5. Now we're going to just save and close this. Put those numbers in. Okay, now we have that created. Okay, so you can come, for example, right here to banking. You can click on write checks, and you can, select the bank account the money came from. Okay, and in the pay to the order of field, you enter the owner's name. Okay, whoever the owner is. You enter the name here. Basically, you'll have to assign the owner. And what you need to do is basically, right, go ahead and in the expenses tab right here, okay, you go ahead and choose the owner's draw account that we were creating, right? You use that, you enter the withdrawal amount, okay? And you can add an optional memo as well, like owner's draw for October 2025. You click save and then you close. Okay, just save and close this. Let me just show you where we created it. So if I click on account right here, and if we look for equity, which we had created, so here, owner's draw, right? So you use that, and then you just save and close after you've entered the amount. Let's say 2,500 as the amount. We'll enter that. Okay, there we go. And you can save and close it, right? Whatever the amount is, it will appear right here. So I'll go ahead and close this one, but you can just go ahead and save it. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.